With the newest software update, VO 6.3 is introducing brand new features, including a new login method. To use this new version, VO users will need their designated license administrators to help facilitate this upgrade. To begin, as your organization's designated license administrator, or DLA, the first step is to request access to the Data Current License Management Portal, also called DCLM. To do that, contact Smart City Water at solutions@smartcitywater.ca or support@smartcitywater.ca. Once your request is approved, Smart City Water will provide your organization with the portal link and default administrator credentials so you can sign in and complete the initial setup. After receiving the portal link and default credentials, open the DCLM login page and sign in. These credentials provide access to the DCLM administrator account. This account is intended to be activated and managed by the DLA, typically an IT administrator, project manager, or someone responsible for managing user access and licenses. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and open the Global User menu. From the menu, select My Subscriptions. This section provides access to your organization's license subscriptions and usage information. The portal supports multiple user roles, each with different permissions. Administrators have full access, including user and license management. Regular users can view licenses assigned to them and the devices connected to their account. On the My Subscriptions page, you'll see a summary of key information, including the total number of active licenses and the device IDs of users currently logged in. Below that, a table lists all available license subscriptions. One of the most useful columns is active users. This provides a near-live view of current license usage, typically updated within about 10 minutes. This allows license managers to quickly check how many seats are currently in use and how many are still available. At this time, if your organization needs additional users or licenses, administrators can request an upgrade by contacting Smart City Water. Support can assist with expanding your subscription based on your team's needs. To create a new role, open the User Profile menu and navigate to the Roles Management page. Click New Role, enter a clear role name, select the permissions you want that role to have, and click Save. Once saved, the role appears in the Roles table and can be assigned to users during account setup. To add a user, organization administrators must first ensure at least one role is available. Go to the User's Management page through the User Profile menu and click New User. In the New User form, enter the required details such as username, first name, last name, organization, and password. Assign the appropriate role, set an expiration date if needed, and click Save to create the account. Once user accounts are created, the final step is to share credentials with your team. As the DLA, you'll need to send each VO user the username, typically their work email, along with the initial password you created for them in DCLM. With those credentials, your organization's users will be able to sign in and access VO based on the licenses assigned to them.